Are you ready? Kick it in the drive, baby. Kick it in the drive. Hey, knock it in the gear. There you go. Way to mow the lawn. There you go. That's my 4-year-old mowing the lawn. Take it out of gear, buddy. Pop it out of gear. Hey. Yeah. Take the clutch, let out the clutch. Let the clutch go, let it out. Turn it around. Turn it around, push it forward. Now turn around. You're good? You got it? Pull this back. Lift your clutch. Lift the clutch up. Hold on, whoa.